Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's August 14th, Tuesday morning, and we're getting a bit of a technical bounce here in the grain markets overnight, which is certainly very likely after corn market is 63 cents off of its highs from Friday morning, and soybeans 70 cents off its highs from Friday morning. So a turnaround Tuesday, technical bounces would certainly be normal for this type of volatility. Other things that we're watching here this morning is the weather. The forecast is cooler for the next several days, and then a chance of some ridging or some higher temperatures coming in. But around that should be more moisture in the 6 to 10 day. It's a little bit wetter here this morning than it was yesterday. We've also got other areas like Russia is getting some rain. Argentina is getting adequate rain for their crops, and Australia is expected to get some rain here where they've been a bit on the dry side. So things looking a little bit better from the moisture standpoint around the world. We do have some economic data coming out here shortly, the producer price index, the retail sales, and NOPA crush is also out here this morning. That could have an influence on our markets as we're in a transition or a changing phase as we look at it here in these in the grain markets anyway. A market that seems to have rallied enough to curb demand, even though supply continues to deteriorate. Demand may be deteriorating at a faster rate as we see basis at the Gulf for corn and soybeans continuing to reduce or get cheaper down there for a lack of any export business. The USDA did give us a crop conditions report yesterday. The corn, they held the same, 23% good to excellent. However, the poor to very poor increased. We went to 51% poor to very poor. In the soybeans, we held the same number there as we did a week ago. Actually, we increased the good to excellent by 1% and decreased the poor to very poor by 1%. So the rains that we've seen over the last week here has certainly improved soybean conditions. We expect that the rains that over the next 2 weeks will get some good coverage here, but there still will be some very dry areas. Many are looking at the dryness is still covering about 30% of the Corn Belt, and that's most of that is in the middle of Illinois and Indiana. Remind everybody, last trading day for August, soybeans, meal, and oil today. We've also is the last trading day for August hogs, so make sure you get out of your August contracts here if you're positioned there yet today. In the livestock market, we've got cutout values up in beef again. Choice up 194, select up 177. Certainly a good indication there that we're seeing some improvement in the higher price cuts as we go into the Labor Day holiday. I think is certainly providing some support there. Cookout season winding down officially over Labor Day, so that's given us some support. The concern, however, is how much cow slaughter and how much pressure that will put on hamburger and other cuts here, the lower price cuts as we go forward. The President Obama announced yesterday that he's going to buy some pork, lamb, chicken, and catfish. Made that announcement in Council Bluffs yesterday. So that should and has supported the pork complex a little bit yesterday. But cutouts were down 33 in the pork on Monday, and continue to see weakness there. We've had a bit of a rally in the futures, but looks like it's getting close to some overhead resistance. Watch that level and contact your Allendale rep to get all the details on that and where the technical chart support is. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.